Binding and loosing. In Matthew 16:19, it says, I will give you the keys of the kingdom of heaven. Whatever you bind on earth will be bound in heaven, and whatever you loose on earth will be loosed in heaven. This is a great weapon in spiritual warfare. Jesus said in Mark 3:27 that we must first bind up the strong man before we plunder his goods. Before you do any kingdom work, you must first bind up the devil. Otherwise, demonic forces will just continue to interfere with your work. Let's practice this technique together. Stand up and declare this with me. Father, in Jesus' name, I bind up any demonic forces, any evil spirits, any strong man that is attacking me, or my family, or my church, or my city. I bind it up. I rebuke it and cast it down in Jesus' name. You can also use binding to bind God's kingdom to your soul, which can be very beneficial when doing ministry. For example, if you find yourself tired and confused, distracted, and procrastinating while doing ministry, you can use the keys of the kingdom to bind focus, self-control, alertness, discipline, etc. to your soul. Let's practice. Stand up and declare this with me. Father, in Jesus' name, by my free will, I bind to my soul discipline, focus, alertness, self-control, stopping procrastination, and enthusiasm. In Jesus' name.